The Hero CD Dawn 125 is a motorcycle built for everyday riders who value simplicity, reliability, and fuel efficiency. In this review, we'll explore its design, performance, comfort, and overall practicality, showing why it has remained a trusted choice in the commuter bike segment. The Hero CD Dawn 125 follows a minimalistic and functional design. Its slim fuel tank, basic graphics, and practical seating arrangement reflect its commuter-focused identity. The halogen headlamp, clear indicators, and simple tail section add to its no-nonsense appeal. It may not be flashy, but the bike offers durability and ease of maintenance qualities that matter most for daily riders. At the heart of the Hero CD Dawn 125 lies a 124.7 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, four-stroke engine. It produces smooth power delivery, ideal for city rides and short highway runs. With a focus on fuel efficiency, this bike is engineered to deliver impressive mileage while keeping running costs low. The 4-speed gearbox shifts with ease, making it friendly for new riders as well as experienced commuters who prefer a relaxed, dependable ride. Comfort has always been a highlight of Hero's commuter motorcycles, and the CD Dawn 125 is no exception. Its long, flat seat offers adequate space for both rider and pillion. The upright handlebar and forward-set foot pegs provide a natural riding posture that reduces fatigue during long hours of commuting. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, offering stability even on uneven roads. The Hero CD Dawn 125 comes with drum brakes on both wheels. While simple, they are reliable for controlled stopping in daily traffic. Its lightweight frame and easy maneuverability make it perfectly suited for congested city streets. The 18-inch wheels with tube-type tires offer durability and balance, especially on rough rural paths. Practicality is where the CD Dawn 125 truly shines. With its excellent fuel efficiency, low maintenance requirements, and proven Hero reliability, this motorcycle is designed for riders who want stress-free ownership. The fuel tank offers ample range for daily commuting, and spare parts are affordable and widely available. The Hero CD Dawn 125 may not come loaded with modern features, but it continues to win hearts with its simplicity, ruggedness, and economy. For those who want a trustworthy, budget-friendly motorcycle that can handle the challenges of daily commuting with ease, the Hero CD Dawn 125 remains a dependable partner.